What is up guys? Albayanong batay nyo at syempre nagbabalik tayo para sa panibagong music video reaction. At sabi ko nga nung nakaraan, bibigyan natin ng spotlight ang mga solo project, solo song, solo albums ng bawat miyembro ng SB19. At ngayon nga, ang video reaction natin ngayon ay ang kanta ni Stel na pinerform niya sa Wish Bus. So, yeah, hindi first time kong mapakinggan tong kanta na to. First time ko rin mapanood tong video. Pero, ang alam ko yata may video, music video. Pero, marami kasi sa inyo mas nagsasuggest na maganda daw pakinggan or bigyan ng reaction yung mga live performance. So, bigyan natin to ng reaction tong performance ni Stel sa kanyang kantang Room sa Wish Bus. So, pero syempre, bago ang lahat, thank you ulit sa pag-subscribe at sa mga magsusubscribe pa. Thank you in advance. Huwag nyo rin kalimutan, Albayanong Batay nyo sa Facebook page. So, yep, let's go. First time kong maririnig yung kanta ni Stel. Yeah. Okay, bali sa South Korea nasa South Korea yung bus. Or may sariling Wish Bus yung okay. May sarili na ring Wish Bus yung South Korea. Okay. Tayo na, pogi ni Stel, oh. Ang layo niya na nung nag-react ako sa first episode ng SB19 story na ginawa ni Sir Casual Chuck, ang layo na ni Stel, no? So, ito yung sinasabi ko na kung may kakayahan ka namang improve ang sarili mo, bakit hindi, no? Pogi, eh.
Wish 1075.
As soon as I said couldn't try to make myself alive, I see your eyes that couldn't mind.
Okay, first impression, pop. Masasabi talaga nating R&B pop yung mga tipo ng kanta ni Stel, no? Syempre, pag R&B talaga minsan may mga higher notes din naman. Pero ito, pop songs, R&B type style, bouncy. Ito yung mga pwede mong example ng kanta na pwede mong lapatan ng sayaw. And tsaka, yeah, may may naririnig ko yung blueprint ni Bruno Mars sa kanta ni Stel. I think paborito nga yata ni Stel si Bruno Mars.
To make myself alive, I see your eyes that couldn't mind. Happens all the time. Then you tell me I can get you off my mind. My mind. Come and get inside, let's talk about it in my room. Babe, hope you're ready, cause I'm gonna invade. Listen to what I'm about to say. Ooh.
Ganda ng ni Stel. Magaling siya mag-control ng kanyang head voice, no? Yun ang madalas mapansin kay Stel. Yun ang talagang yun yung mga pang-pronta niya pagdating sa pagkanta, yung head voice falsetto niya. Maganda.
Hope you're ready, cause I'm gonna invade.
And syempre, as a performer na gaya ni Stel, no, na talagang yung eye contact, isipin mo nasa camera lang yung kaharap niya, pero yung pag nanonood ka, like kaya nito sa computer, is talagang may eye contact pa rin talaga si Stel, which is talagang package ng isang pagiging performer. Born to be performer talaga, eh, kung masasabi mong ganun, eh.
Come and get inside, let's talk about it in my room. Babe, hope you're ready, cause I'm gonna invade. Listen to what I'm about to say. You will find the answer. This energy that's within me might be too much to take. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling thrills me. I don't want an ending. Savor every bit of it, cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one left.
Pagkakaalam ko si Stel hindi mahilig magsulat ng sarili niyang songs. Pero I think naman may collective naman yung pagsulat nila ng kanta. Pero parang may nabanggit na, yun nga, na hindi mahilig si Stel magsulat. Tapos parang si Pablo yung nagsusulat para sa kanila. Para kay Stel, I think para kay Stel. Pero dito mo makikita din yung flexibility din ni Stel, no? Kasi madalas din naman kasi si Pablo, siya yung nagsusulat more on different genre ang sakop niya, metal, nagme-metal, nagra-rock, nag-hip hop, nag-rap, ballad, love songs, hindi lahat na halos nagawa ni Pero dito mo makikita yung talent din ni Stel na na-adapt niya agad yung mga binibigay na sulat sa kanya ni Pablo. If ito nga din talaga yun na isa si Pablo sa nagsulat ng kanta ni Stel. So maganda rin din talaga yung nila, yung combo, yung combination nila na sulat ni Pablo, kanta ni Stel, pero maganda na talagang nabubuo ng maganda yung isang buong kanta, no? So
Can you read the room?
Can you read the room?
Can you read the room?
Masasabi kong Blueprint ni Bruno Mars. Kasi naalala ko na pala na tinanong si Stel kung sino yung gusto niyang makakolab. Ang sinabi niya si Bruno Mars. Tama. So, Bruno Mars Blueprint yung ni Stel.
I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living.
Yep.
Now you've tried one of a kind. It's okay if you cry, but I see you smile. Man, I set you way too high. Hope you come alive. Set a crabbing fuss and shivers down your spine. Chill me. I hope you come alive. Set a crabbing fuss and shivers down your spine. My oh my, forever about you and I. Space, we don't need that left time snow and space. Fade to black 'cause now we're face to face. There's the only answer. This energy that's within me will never let you escape. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling thrills me. I don't want an ending. Savor every bit of it, 'cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this world there's no one living.
Ay,
Every bit of it, 'cause we're not in.
kung mapapansin nyo, hindi ko pinagtutuunan ng pansin yung lyrics ngayon kasi hindi naman siya ganun ka-heavy. Yun, as a battle rap pa niya sinasabi ko, pagdating sa lyrics, medyo ako, pero dito sa kanta ni Stel, hindi ko siya tinitingnan. Alam niyo kung bakit? Mas napapascinate kasi ako kung paano mag-perform si Stel. Sa boses, performance, talagang doon ako na-amaze sa boses ni Stel. Yung pag-abot niya ng mga matataas na notes, high notes, and syempre, yung kung paano niya dalhin yung sarili niya pagdating sa performance.
In a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this world there's no one living. Dance. Hey.
Yeah, sa susunod, magkakaroon ako ng video reaction sa performance ni Estel na All by Myself yata yon. So, di ko napapanood yon. So, sa susunod.
Come on. 1, 2, 3, hit it. Hey, hey.
Ang layo na ng ano, tingnan mo si Estel, oh. Pogi na, no?
Come on. Hey, hey. Baby, don't you worry. As long as you're here with me, you won't take no hurt, 'cause I will be your sanctuary. If you'd only let me orchestrate this story, we won't have to leave this room, 'cause I'm your everything.
Diyos ko naman, Estel. Wag mo naman akong pahirapan ng ganyan. Grabe namang boses yan.
Baby, don't you worry. As long as you're here with me, you won't take no hurt, 'cause I will be your sanctuary. If you'd only let me orchestrate this story, we won't have to leave this room, 'cause I'm your everything.
Wish exclusive on Wish
Can you read the room?
1075.
Read the room. Can you? I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living.
Gali. Gali. Wow. Kaya yun ang gusto ko kay Estel is yung talagang mas ano kasi mas dahil nga sinabi ko nung nakaraan na galing ako sa genre ng power metal, yung mga ganong boses pang power metal, goth metal, may something ganun yung falsetto, head voice, tapos ang tataas ng range, ang taas ng range ng boses kasi, so talagang na-appreciate ko yung ganong boses ni Estel. Talagang hindi siya hindi naman kasi lahat ng vokalista ballad artist, hindi lahat ng R&B artist kayang bumirit ng ganon. Knowing pa naman na nag-perform siya ng All by Myself, na alam naman natin na sobrang taas ng kanta na 'yon, 'di ba? So, yeah, sa susunod All by Myself, check ko kung anong performance niya doon. Pero syempre, alam na naman natin 'yon.